So, welcome back. This is chapter 2 of Yu-Gi-Oh! So, Leo, over here, he didn't finish. Yeah. Like I said, I fast forward. And then he will tell you, well, I set up my battle deck. So, I'm gonna set it up here. Well, everyone just focus on Leo, okay? You don't have to see how I do it.
Swapping deck. Floating hazard. Spell card. Floating hazard. Spell card. I have two the same. Rest of the sea cloud. A volcano and someone in spell. Having organic spell card. Steady. I got nice back. S.A. Downfall. Spelling swelled. 200 attack damage. Link 2. Connector generator. Spell card. Silence play. Silence play. Needles spell. Henry, you have this.
Do you show the cards? If you don't show the cards, you know.
Henry, you have this card.
I lost it.
But I have.
You make them focus on you, okay?
Last time. Swap card. Language the scream of the sixth medal. Oh! It's a Dynamax card. It's a Yu-Gi-Oh! Dynamax. Smash is medal. Stratos Lily Cuss Swap. Swapple Cuss Swap. Metal. Oops. Trozo's a loader. I mean, this is Arlie for you. He's a pudding. Straddle Bagger. Oh my god, he looks cool. Straddle Bagger Hole. Saddle Mad Gwen. Oh! He needs to be in the saddle.
Show me. He doesn't. I don't know if he has to, but maybe.
Took the hole. I did what I wanted. Oh!
Stop
This is
screaming.
the better.
No,
It wasn't that Supreme Mark. That Lord or something.
show me.
It's a legendary.
Too bad it's not the blue-eyed dragon.
Daddy, it's a legendary.
Okay, are you guys good? Are you guys gonna challenge on the side by side?
No, I'm
Yes,
not
you.
the master.
Okay, when you are done, I mean, because I adjust the
Bell.
camera.
Yo, so are you gonna battle like this? You're gonna go on the other side.
louder. Bagel louder. Boo! Just one star.
Show me.
One star. One
Guys.
star.
And Leo, come on, finish it. Because we need to set up the table for challenge. Because
Hazel,
we need to push the table to the wall.
Want to switch?
No.
Show and talk.
Choosing louder, great. Oh. You know that guy.
No?
Give me whoever you take. Might be a lady of the Free star. Marble sailed.
That's not the strongest.
But strong.
He is. 12 star.
Saddles. So
I gotta pause him for a second. Look. This is a really rare unknown card. It has attack, ? Defense, 0. The defense is nothing, but the attack. The attack. Look. Attack, ?
can I see this question? Look at that. Saddle. 4. 4 stars. Pick are the kings of the sword lights. Henry,
Do you want to trade this just for this?
no.
This is the
No.
Frostosaurus.
Yeah.
Yes?
Okay. Travel the Lord of Pandas. Lord of Pandas. Mega Sapt. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 stars. Henry, mine are rare cards, but not strong. King Bass. 12 stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stars. Henry, this one is a mixed wash. It's a mix. You see, it's a mix. It's a mixed one of somebody. Oh. Travel sing spell card. This spell. Master sing a highlight. This is so cool. Miss Ghost missing got a Hustless Master Spell. How 40 man mark. This guy, that'll be good on the battle. The Book of the Web.
Almost done?
Yes. Do not touch
Henry,
my
let him finish because
card.
we will... Henry, please don't touch his card.
Magma's Wrath.
Do you
Spell
show?
card.
Did
Whoa.
you show previous ones? Okay.
Number 96 mess. Yeah. Dogmas.
Okay.
40 crossed. Two more left to go.
You mean four.
Missing 12. Spectacle.
Okay. And the last one.
Toting middle sad. Soda.
Okay.
Shadow.
Now
Whoa.
it's time for what?
Part 3.
Heal guys.
Battle.
Heal guys.
You know what? Let's do part 2 and part 3 together, huh?
Yeah.
Thank
so
you.
look, put 5 cards, whatever
No,
you want,
let's push this first. Oops.
and squish.
No, Henry. I mean, Leo, get there. Get there. Behind the box. Henry, you get on the back, all the way right, all the way right, all the way right. Go to the, yeah, go maybe there. Yeah. Go to this side. Turn. Yeah. Oh, is there something there?
I can get it.
Yeah. Come on. Leo, you two push this.
Good.
Push this towards Henry. Yes. Push it, push it, push it, push it more. Okay, enough. Okay, Henry, go to the side.
No makeup and call.
Challenge time. Go on, put it under, Henry. Put it under, yeah. Keep everything under it.
Leo, pick 5 cards, whatever you want.
Please,
Let me
there.
check now.
Daddy, please could I get all of my cards?
Yes.
Thank you.
Ask Henry for help.
Put 5 cards here, wherever you put 5 cards here. Choose 5 whatever you want cards.
Okay, go to your side. Let me check the camera.
You at least need 2 Speller Trap cards. You can mix them. And your deck goes over there. So all the rest of the cards go there. Choose 5 cards from
Okay.
your deck.
Camera
to go
looks
there.
great. Camera looks great.
Put 5 cards there. And your deck here.
Hey, I'm going downstairs, okay? To get something.
1, 2, 3,
Tell me when you're done.
4.
Okay.
One more. I guess I'm going to find a strong one. 5. Good.
You good?
Yeah.
Come back. And
Wait.
put all your cards. Put all your cards here. No, except D.
Would they stay in my hand?
You can place them down. For now.
No, not sewing down.
No, place them down upside down like me.
But I agree get the one you.
Fine. Then you put all of these and put them here. Except those. No, Leo. Put all these into a deck, then put them here, except the ones you have. Over here, put them here. All of them, except those ones.
I mean, could it be like that? Go.
No, they have to be in a deck like mine.
Oh, why? This would take for another round.
It's not an hour, it's a minute.
No.
So make it a minute. Fine, then put all of them upside down. Even the bottom ones, see? Now it's harder. I can see your cards. Okay, let's just continue. Here. So, now we all battle. Place your cards here when you know. I'm not doing anything. And you can't switch.
Go. Oh, now. Honey, we need to block it so we don't see each other's car.
I don't have any of these. No, we don't. No, we don't block it.
But we don't want to see anybody's car.
We place the cards here. so you can put
The
deck cards.
fence.
It's neat if you put deck cards like this. No, it's its own mode. Put deck cards like they have to be a deck.
Attack.
This is attack mode. This is the attack mode. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Chill out, man. You got a really good one. I don't stand a chance. No, you don't take it. Your card is still in play. Go to the third pile. This is your dead card pile. I finally know a way to defeat it.
You can't
Let me
use
see how
that.
much. 8 star. Nice. Huh?
What is it? What is it?
Gee, I still don't have it. Aha.
I win.
Seriously.
I see.
Oh.
I see the lion. The great noodling face.
Everything fine?
Yeah. But there were some bad parts. They have to delete.
No fights?
Kind of.
No bad words?
No, but we acted, you know. You have to delete those parts.
You
Duh. Sit down.
Is challenge done?
No.
You guys continuing?
We are
The
wait.
challenge is long.
Henry didn't even kill this guy.
Okay then.
He's
This is
really-
more than 75.
Alright. Keep going then.
I'm gonna defeat your card once and for all.
What?
That's
That's-
10 star.
That's
That's
cheating.
wrong.
It's too strong.
You have a 2 strong card, please. You
No,
don't have to act like this in the video. This is Yu-Gi-Oh! This is how it works.
it's too strong. You.
You finally got this pile.
Hey, it's not
High
bucket
score,
time.
45. Bump it. Oh, bump it like you mean it.
No.
Score.
Are you
0.
done? If you are done, get away. Let's finish the. Let's finish.
I
the
have
card.
this. This is your dead card pile. This is your-
Nah.
Come on. What?
Bump it to start.
Be quiet. You don't bump it.
I gotta tell Daddy something. And Leo, you can't use that card. Pick another card.
I'm going to sleep.
Henry, you need to change your car.
Leo, please be nice.
But it's way too strong, Daddy. Henry's car is way too
You
strong.
killed 2 of my cards. Please. Please.
I'm not wasting my strong. I need to find my weakest
No?
card. I got
From
it.
your deck?
Good.
Every time you lose a card, you pick a card from your deck. But it has to be the top. See? I'll organize your deck. I see one of your cards. Lost time. I see your card lost time.
Ooh.
It's weak, I know. It has to be, right?
I'm not wasting this one. It looks cool.
You can waste coins. You shouldn't waste them.
What can I use this code?
Hey, you can't put that in the
But I can't use.
So how do you guys play? Can you explain me?
watch and learn.
Ah.
Oh God!
And then make your deck now. I gave you a head start.
I will
Make
do
your
it, but I have 1 million
Henry,
stuff to do, guys.
deck. Shoot the dead card.
Just give me summary.
Let me
Someone in the universe.
And then look.
Hey, you're peeking my code.
Henry.
I need to find this dead card I accidentally mixed. It's not here. I just gotta use one of your cards to be a dead. Like you didn't. These cards we didn't know how to use. So
Like this one.
no, that shouldn't be dead.
Henry, gel.
Why?
Henry, gel. Gel. Yo. Now new night light for you guys.
Cool.
But go back. Leo, come. And you look also. Here. See? New night light. You like it?
How do could we change it different colors?
Yes. If you hit the left one, it's white. Left one, yeah. And if you want a colorful, push one more. Yeah, you see? Henry, are you guys done
No.
with the video?
No.
Because I need to know when I need to finish. So people don't watch us for no reason.
Yeah.
Hey Leo, you can help.
Do.
Hey Leo.
Someone is
Let's stop.
Leo, what are you doing?
Making what?
trying to climb to
Leo,
my
stop
spot.
saying that. Daddy, delete all the mistakes, okay?
Continue.
Will you?
Let me think.
Uh-huh.
Who did you do that at that car?
Same one.
Was it?
It wasn't in your life card.
Yeah!
I can kill it easily.
No,
No,
I
not.
can't.
No, look. Hey. Tie. Philip, let's pretend when it's a tie, they both come back.
I guess he's telling me to turn code. I'm placing it back in.
You can't.
There.
You only can have 6 cards in your hand, so.
1, 2.
I just used to break the noodle invasion, so that counts if I have 6 cards.
4.
Yeah!
5. 6.
No. Come on. You can't. That was already in play. We tied. Wait. Show me that. Bring that card out. I kill you. Look. 50. No, 500. 500. 300. 300. 3,200.
It's It doesn't.
2,800.
It doesn't matter about Dale.
No, if we tie, it matters though. Stop! You killed 2 of my cards.
That is so.
Explain them what happened. Explain people what happened.
Come on. Continue.
No. Do it. Is that called? Henry, that card is way too strong. It could even beat this one.
That was the guy that died.
No, I have 2 of these.
Come on.
I can't even beat you. That one
I'll
isn't
switch.
even
Pretend you can switch.
Okay, I'm using the deck.
You can't use dead.
This guy. I win? Huh? I win?
I don't know. Yes?
Yay! Henry!
You want to celebrate right now?
Henry! Remember, whoever kills the most cards, get them.
Wait, let's make 1 card prize over here.
Yeah.
But you promise you won't cry if you lose?
But what if it's a little big card? 1 card?
It might be a little baby card. 1 card. 1 card prize.
But what about mine? 1 card?
Yeah, you put the 1 card prize here.
No.
Choose any 1 card prize.
No. Yeah. My desk. Tokyo.
Until all your cards are defeated.
All of these 100 cards?
Yeah. Hey, Daddy, is it okay if we play until all our cards are dead?
Whatever you like. It's recording, so be nice to each other and play as much as you want.
An airplane is coming through town.
Come on now.
Vroom,
I got cards.
vroom, vroom.
I got guts. That's bad.
And Henry,
Now I got guts again.
kill you.
And again. You kidding me? And again. You kidding me?
Henry, and Henry.
I barely used my strong card. Did you kill me? Oh my god, you're killing me.
Kill you?
Zombie card.
Could I see?
Zombie card. It has the zombie. It's yours.
Could I see?
Zombie card.
Let me see.
I'm
close.
switching my prize card.
Let me
This
see.
is a zombie card, so you can trade now for a zombie
Let
card.
me-
This is not creepy.
Where's zombie card?
Never mind.
Where is it so called?
Come on, let's just trade it.
Fight.
You can trade it. I'm not getting this card.
Trade. No, I'm not trade. You have it. It's okay if you have it.
I'm switching my prize card.
No prize. Switching.
Okay, so 2 card prize.
No, zero. 1 card prize. 1
You can use your weakest card.
card.
Stop sitting.
1
Just wait 1 second. Plot. I'll be back.
Leo, don't go under it, please. Why you need to go under it? You can go on the side, right? Look like Henry. You guys are making mess with the camera. So it will not record you guys.
No.
What no?
I don't want another flies.
Okay.
What are you doing, Leo?
Great.
Can you just go there?
Yum.
Are you done playing, Leo?
I'm finally gonna kill your card.
How could we kill it? No, way too strong. Nope, quit.
Hey. Oh, Leo quits.
So is it done?
Kill it.
Are
Hey,
you guys done with
Leo
the video?
cheated.
Henry, you do it by yourself. Do you want to say something
Because
else?
Daddy,
Bye. I mean, yeah.
Say first.
and Daddy,
Come whisper.
it can't be good because Henry's code is way too strong.
Henry,
Look how much he
change the
killed.
card.
He killed this much.
So, Leo, don't
What?
touch my Koivo.
And it's all about killing the game. All
And-
about defeating cards.
And you know what? Now I'll give you 2 cards of mine because the game ended.
So, Leo quit, actually. Huh?
No, Dad.
And whoever quits,
I want my prize cards, boy.
no. You get your card back.
Leo, no, don't climb on.
Prize
You're gonna
cards.
break it.
And the game is over.
Okay.
Bye, everybody. So we will meet you next time.
Mario.
Leo, go back a little bit back. Yeah. Because they don't see.
So next time we do it,
Mario.
next time we do our video, we might do a big surprise. And like and subscribe. Goodbye.
No, Leo, you say it better. You say it, Leo. Henry, it was Leo's chance. Leo, say it before they go.
Hey,
With the Mario voice. Go, go.
like and subscribe, Mario.
See you later.
Lego Mario time.
Mario.
See you later.